Hey, how's it going, everyone? Brad here from West Coast Dual Sport Motorcycle Adventures. Today I'm doing my second oil change on my Yamaha TW200. My owner's manual recommends doing this second oil change at 6,000 kilometers. And as you can see, I'm doing mine at 4 because I just want to check everything out. Make sure everything's looking okay. That oil still looks somewhat okay, that's draining. I'm really interested to see how the strainer looks. There it is sitting right there. I'll grab that in a second. And the oil filter as well, I'm going to change that. So let's grab that strainer and take a look at it. There's a few metal shavings, but that's looking pretty good. And that oil feels good too. Doesn't feel all gritty. Still pretty smooth. Yeah. That oil doesn't look too bad at all. Time to clean this stuff up. Again, I don't see why I should use solvent. I do have some brake cleaner I could clean these off with, but a brand new bike, 4,000 kilometers on it. Look at that. That's good and clean. Are you happy? All right, so I took the oil filter cap off. Let's take a look at this oil filter. So there's a lot more metal shavings on this after 4,000 kilometers than my initial oil change was at 500 kilometers. But, you know, maybe that's still okay. Maybe 6,000 kilometers is okay. Take a look at this oil in here. Yeah, that's still pretty clean. So, yeah. 6,000 kilometers. I think I'm still going to do mine every 4,000. But, wow, these bikes rule. Anyway, I'm going to put it all back together and go for a rip. So, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.